Children, it is a continuation of the chapter polynomial. Now the exercise 4 is continued here. That is the fourth main, the factorization by the splitting model term and also by using factor theorem. So you take the first question of the fourth main, that is factorize 12x square minus 7x plus 1. Here it is a trinomial having 3 terms. And you can factorize it by splitting the middle term if possible. Now you verify the sum and the product here. To factorize the trinomial by splitting the middle term, we have to consider the sum and the product. The product is, here if you take, the product is PQ. Take the product PQ is equals to 12x square into 1, that is 12x square, and the sum is, that is nothing but middle term, that is minus 7x. Then here you must observe the factors of 12. So you have to observe in which table 12 is there. So that is 2 into 6 is 12 or 6 into 2 is 12, and also 4 into 3 is 12 and 1 into 12 or 12 into 1. Here 12 is in the table of 2, 6, 12 and 3 and 4 here. Now here you observe the sum here, that is minus 7x. So here you know that the minus 4 and minus 3 becomes minus 7. And the product of minus 4 and minus 3 also is equals to 12. So here you can have these factors are 4 and 3 with negative sign. So here you can have 12x square. The factors are minus 4x and minus 3x. Here the product 12 is having positive sign. If the product is having positive sign, both the factors must have the same sign, that is the sign of the middle term here. Both the factors must have the same sign. If the product is having positive sign, here 7x is having the negative sign, therefore both the factors 4x and 3x are having negative sign. So here you can split the middle term minus 7x as, first you write that first term as it is. The second term, which is the middle term, you have to write as a sum of 4x and 3x. So it is minus 7x is written as minus 4x minus 3x. In this way the middle term is split into 2 terms. Plus 1 you write it as it is. Next you make the group of first 2 terms and the last 2 terms. Then here in 12x square and 4x, you know that 12 is in the table of 4, so you remove 4 as a common, and in x square and x can be removed common. So here 12x square, 4x is removed outside, means what comes in the bracket, you know that 4 3s are x into x. So 4x into 3x is 12x square u. Next minus 4x is already outside, means 4x 1s are 4x it is. Next minus, here 3x and 1 means you can have, there is 1 is the HCF, here 1 is a common, you can remove, and in the bracket it becomes 3x plus 1 becomes, as minus is outside, means it becomes minus 1. So you got the factors 3x minus 1 as a common factor here into 4x minus 1, this and this. In this way you got that 12x square minus 7x plus 1 is equals to 3x minus 1 into 4x minus 1. This is the first one here. Next you take the second one. Second one is 2x square plus 7x plus 3. 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Here the product you take PQ is equals to 2x square into 3. That is 2x square into 3 equals 6x square. And P plus Q, the sum, that is the middle term, here it is 7x. and you know that the product is positive and the sum is also positive, means both the factors must have the positive sign, as the middle term 7x is having positive sign here. Next, here you observe the factors of 6, in which tables 6 are there. You know that 2 into 3 and also 1 into 6 or 6 into 1 you take here. 6 into 1. And you know that 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. 6 into 1 is equals to 6. So you can have 6x square. The factors of 6x square as what? 6x and 1x. 6x and 1x. As the middle term is having positive sign, both the factors are having positive sign here. So the factors are 6x and 1x. So you write here, first term you write it as it is, 2x square plus 6x plus 1x. The middle term 7x is split into 6x and 1x, and plus 3 you write as it is. Now you got 4 terms. The trinomial is converted as a polynomial with 4 terms, as 7x is split into 6x and 1x. Again we have the first group, second group. And in the first group, 2x square plus 6x, here 2 and 6, the HCF. 6 is also in the table of 2, so 2 becomes the HCF. And in x square and x, you can remove x as a common. So out of 2x square and 6x, 2x is common here, remove that outside. And in the bracket here, what is remaining? 2x into x is 2x square plus 2 into 3, x is outside. So if you multiply 2x into x, you will get this one, and 2x into 3, you will get 6x. Next here, again 1x plus 3 is there. You can remove only 1 as a common. In the bracket, it will get x plus 3. Here, this factor and this factor must be same. Then only it is correct here. So, you got the same. So, you can remove x plus 3 as a common, one factor. And the other factor is 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. In this way, the expression 2x square plus 7x plus 3 is factorized. The factors are x plus 3 and 2x plus 1. So, 2x square plus 7x plus 3 is equals to x plus 3 into 2x plus 1. Next, you take the third one here. Third one is 6x square plus 5x minus 6. X square plus 5x minus 6 here. Again you take the product PQ here. PQ is 6x square into minus 6 it is. That is minus 36x square. Here the product is having negative sign. Product is having negative sign means the factors are having different sign. And the greater factor is having the sign of the middle term. And the smaller one is having the negative sign here. Now P plus Q. P plus Q is equals to 5x it is. Now you take the table in which 36 is there, and the difference must be 5x here. As the product is negative means the difference that you have to take, not the sum here. So you know that 6 into 6, and you can have 2 into 18, then 4 into 9, then also you can have 3 into 12 and 1 into 36. These are the some combination of factors here. Now here the difference is 5. Here as the product is having negative sign means you have to take the difference. The difference 5 means here this is the combination you can take here, 4 9s or you can have 9 4s, because you know that is 9 minus 4 is equals to 5, and 9 into 4 is equals to 36. So here 9 into minus 4, 9 minus 4, that becomes minus 36. So the factors can be, right, minus 36x square, and here the factors are having different sign. The greater must have the negative sign here, positive sign here, because the sum is having positive sign, and the smaller number factor is having the negative sign. So the factors are 9x and 4x, and you know that 9x minus 4x becomes 5x, and 9x into minus 4x becomes 36 x square. It is 36 x square. So you write the factors: 6x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 6 it is. 5x is splitted into 9x and 4x, that is 9x minus 4x. 9x minus 4x is 5x. Now you remove the common, and the common factor of 6 and 9. Common factor of 6 and 9 is 3, because both of them are in the table 3. Next, the factors of x square and x. You know that here x is common, and out of 6x square and 9x, 3x is removed as a common, and what comes in the bracket? In order to know that 3x into 2x is 6x square. So the first term becomes 2x plus 3 3s are 9. 3x into 3 is 9 here. So it is in the bracket you will get 2x plus 3. Next, here out of minus 4x and minus 6, you know that 4 and 6 are in the table 2. So you remove minus 2 as a common. Then here in the bracket what you will get? 2 2s are 4. 2x it becomes. 2 into 2x is 4, and 2 into 3 minus 2 into, that is plus it becomes, because outside the bracket there is negative sign, means the sign changes here. So the minus 6 is there, so you must write minus 2 into plus 3 is minus 6 here. Now you got 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3, so that is the common factor here. Write that in one bracket. 2x plus 3 is one factor here, and the other factor is 3x minus 2. Right, 3x minus 2. So the factors are here 2x plus 3 and 3x minus 2, that is 6x square plus 5x minus 6 is equals to 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 2. In this way 6x square plus 5x minus 6 is factorized by splitting the middle term. Next you take the fourth one. What is that fourth one? 3x square minus x minus 4. 3x square minus x minus 4 it is. Now the product is PQ is equals to 3x square into minus 4, that is minus 12x square it is. Next, P plus Q is the middle term, that is minus x means minus 1x it is. And you know that here the product is having negative sign, and the factor must have the different sign, and the greater one is having the sign of the middle term, that is minus, and the other one is having the positive sign. Now here different sign means the factors difference we have to take, not the sum here. And you take the table, you know that 1 into 12 or 12 into 1, 12 into 1, next 4 into 3, 2 into 6, like this. So you got the 3 combination here. Now here the difference is 1, means you can take minus 4 plus 3. Difference is minus 1, means you can take minus 4 plus 3, that is minus 4x and 3x. The product is here minus 12x square, and minus 4x plus 3x is equals to what? Minus 1x. So this is the combination what you have took. So you take minus 4x here plus 3x. The product is here minus 12x square. Therefore, you write the first term as it is 3x square minus x means you must write it as minus 4x plus 3x minus 4 it is. Minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. Then make the group of this 2 and this 2 and remove the common. What is common here? 3 and common 4, that is only 1 here. The HCF of 3 and 4 is 1 and x square x is x only. So you write 1x it is. X is common and in the bracket you will get 3x. X is outside means x into 3x is 3x square minus 4 here. Next plus. Here it is 3x minus 4. You can have only the number 1 is common. Write that outside and there is no any change in the bracket here as 1 is a factor which is taken as outside. Now you got the same here. So that is the common factor. So you write is equals to 3x minus 4 into x plus 1. 3x minus 4 into x plus 1. Therefore the factors of 3x square minus x minus 4 is equals to what? 3x minus 4 into x plus 1. Got the factors of 3x square minus x minus 4. Now let us come to the fifth main, that is also factorize. Here there are 4 polynomials, all of them are having 4 terms. So it is better to use the factor theorem to find the factors. Now according to the factor theorem, here we have to find the factor. If you got one factor means then easily you can get the other factors by the splitting the middle term or by any other method. Now in all the cases you observe the constant here. Here you know that 2 is the constant, here minus 5 is the constant, here 20 is the constant, here minus 1 is the constant, and with the help of that constant you can find the factors by the trial and error method by using the factor theorem. Now you take the first one, that is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. X cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Now here take this 2, factors of 2. Factors of 2, you know that 2 is in the table of 1, 2 and also minus 1 and minus 2. 2 is divisible by 1, minus 1 and also 2 and minus 2. So in combined form you can write factors of 2 are plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2. And to get the one factors we have to verify by using the factor theorem by taking p of 1, p of minus 1, p of minus 1, p of 2 and p of minus 2. P of minus 2 here. So here p of 1 you got 0 means then x minus 1 becomes factor. If you got p of minus 1 factor means you will get x plus 1 factor. 1 is a factor. If you got p of 2 is equals to 0 then x minus 2 is a factor. If you got p of minus 2 is a factor then x plus 2 is a factor. Now let us verify by taking p of 1. P of 1 becomes, then you know you put in the place of x you put 1. So it becomes 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus 1 plus 2. In this equation that you have to take here to verify roughly. And you know that 1 cube is 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 1 plus 2 it is 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. Here you will get 1 and minus 1 cancels, minus 2 and plus 2 cancels, you will get 0. Then this is okay, that is a P of 1 is okay. If P of 1 is equals to 0 means this becomes x minus 1 becomes the factor here. So roughly you got the factor here by the trial and error and method by using the factor theorem. So you take P of 1 is equals to x cube means you write 1 cube minus 2 into 1 whole square minus 1 plus 2 it is, that is 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 1 plus 2, then it is P of 1 is equals to 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. Here you will get 0. P of 1 is equals to 0. What you can write here? Then x minus 1 is a factor of what? X cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Then to get the other factor, you divide this by this. Then you will get the other factor here. Then you will take here x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. By long division method, you divide it x minus 1. Now to divide it, see the first term of this and first term of this. Here it is x means here it is x cube. So you must multiply x minus 1 by x square here. Multiply x minus 1 by x square. So x into x square you will get x cube. Then minus 1 into x square you will get minus x square. Minus x square. Then to subtract, we change the sign and plus x cube minus x cube cancels here. It becomes plus. Minus x square becomes plus x square here. And minus 2 x square minus 1 x square. Minus 2 x square plus 1 x square it is. That becomes minus x square it is. Minus 2 plus 1 becomes minus 1. That is minus 2x square plus x square is minus x square. Then you take the next term downside. That is minus x. Now you see the first term of this and first term of this. Here it is x, here it is minus x square. So you must multiply x by minus x to get minus x square. X into minus x is, x into minus x is what? Minus x square. Minus 1 into minus x is minus plus it becomes. Plus x it is. Then again you change the sign, plus minus cancels here, minus x minus 1x that becomes minus 2x plus 2 you take, minus 2x plus 2, and here it is minus 2x, here it is x means x must be multiplied by minus 2. X must be multiplied by minus 2. So multiply both the term by minus 2. X into minus 2 is minus 2x, minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2. Change the sign, minus 2x becomes plus 2x, plus 2 becomes minus. So plus 2x minus 2x cancels, minus 2 plus 2 cancels, so you will get 0. So you got x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 is equals to this x minus 1 factor, and the other factor is x square minus x minus 2. So you got two factors here. X cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 is equals to x minus 1 into x square minus x minus 2. Now here, if it is possible, try to factorize x square minus x minus 2 by splitting the middle term. So you take that one, x square minus x minus 2. Now here the product is, the product of first and third term here, that is PQ is equals to x square into minus 2, that is minus 2x square. And p plus q, that is the middle term. You know that here it is 1x, minus 1x it is. Minus 1x. As it is having negative sign, minus 2x square, the factors must have, you know that, different sign. The product is negative means different sign, and the greater one is having the negative sign, smaller one is having the positive sign. You know that in which table 2 is there? That is into 2 ones are 2. So you can take minus 2 and plus 1. That is minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So you can take, this is 2x, this is 1x. Minus 2x plus 1x. The product of minus 2x and 1x is minus 2x square. The difference of minus 2x and 1x is, the difference of 2x and 1x is, you will get here 1. That is, you take x square minus 2x plus 1x minus 2. That equals, make the group of 2 here. And in the first group, what you will get common? Only x square and x is there, x here. And in the bracket, x into x square you will get. Minus, x is already outside means you will get 2. So you got the bracket x minus 2 here. Plus here 1 is common means in the bracket you will get x minus 2. So you got x minus 2, x minus 2. So take that as a common. That is equals to x minus 2 into x plus 1. So you got that x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 is equals to x minus 1 into, first you got that, this one, x minus 1 into x square minus x minus 1, that is equals to x minus 1. What are the factors of x square minus x minus 1? They are x minus 2 and x plus 1. In this way you got 3 factors here, x minus 1, x minus 2 and x plus 1. So you got the factors of the expression x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Now you take the second one, x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 it is, x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Now you take the last constant here, minus 5, and write the factors of minus 5. Write factors of minus 5 are, you know that is 1, minus 1, 5 and minus 5. Therefore in combined you write plus or minus 1 plus or minus 5 here. So here we have to examine whether p of 1, p of minus 1, p of 5, p of minus 5 are factors or not. And you verify one by one. First let us verify p of 1 roughly. So that becomes 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square minus 9 into 1 minus 5 here. That becomes 1 minus 3 minus 9 minus 5. And that becomes, you know that, 1 minus 9. You can't get here, you know that becomes 1. The sum all are negative means that becomes 17. 1 minus 17 you will get. That is not equals to, that is equals to minus 16, not equals to 0. So then what you can say here, this is not a factor. P of 1 you can't take down. Here you can't take it. Now verify for p of minus 1. Then it becomes minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into minus 1 square minus 9 into minus 1 minus 5 here. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus 3 into, that is 1, and minus 9 into minus 1, that is plus 9 minus 5. So here it becomes minus 1 minus 3 plus 9 minus 5. Then the sum of these 3 all are negative here, that becomes minus 9 plus 9, that is equals to 0. Then it is okay. Second one, p of minus 1 you take That is a, so p of minus 1, by using that p of minus 1 you will get one factor. After getting one factor, next you can get the other factor also. So here p of minus 1 means that becomes x minus minus 1, that is x plus 1 is a factor here. So you take p of 1 here, p of minus 1. P of minus 1 is equals to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 here. Then it is p of minus 1 is equals to 1 cube minus 3 into, that is minus 1 cube, minus 1 whole cube. P of minus 1 is equals to minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into minus 1 square, then minus 9 into minus 1 minus 5 it is. That is p of minus 1 is equals to minus 1 whole cube is minus 1, minus 3 into minus 1 square is 1 it is, minus 9 into minus 1 plus 9 minus 5. Then it is minus 1 minus 3 plus 9 minus 5. So you can write minus 1 minus 3 minus 5 plus 9. So sum of these 3 is, that is minus 9. Minus 9 plus 9. So p of minus 1 you got, that is equals to 0 here. Minus 9 plus 9 is 0. Therefore you can say that x minus minus 1, that is equals to x plus 1 is a factor. X plus 1 is one factor here you got, and by using that factor you can divide x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 and to get the other factors. So you take x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5, that is to be divided by what? X plus 1. Now you divide. Again here x is there, x cube is there. So x plus 1 must be multiplied by x square. So multiply each term by x square. So x into x square is x cube plus 1 into x square is plus 1x square. Then you change the sign. Cancels here. Minus 3x square minus 1x square is minus 4. They are having same sign. Add them. Minus 9x. Then here minus 4x square is there. So you must multiply it by minus 4x it is. Then you multiply x plus 1 by minus 4x. X into minus 4x becomes minus 4x square. And plus 1 into minus 4x becomes minus 4x it is. Then we change the sign to subtract, and minus 4x square plus 4x square cancels here. Minus 9 plus 4, minus 9x plus 4x, that is minus 5x here. You write minus 5x. Then you take minus x below, and here it is minus 5x means you must multiply x by minus 5. Then x into minus 5 is minus 5x, and 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. Then it becomes plus minus x plus x cancels, minus 5 plus 5 cancels, that is 0 here. So you get the, to get the other factors you must factorize the x square minus 4x minus 5 by using the middle, splitting the middle term here. So you take x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 is equals to one factor is x plus 1. The other factor is x square minus 4x minus 5 it is. Again we have to factorize x square minus 4x minus 5. You write that x square minus 4x minus 5 it is. And here the product PQ is equals to x square into minus 5, that is minus 5x square. And P plus Q is equals to minus 4x it is. Then you take the tables for minus 5, that is 1 into 5 is there, only one table, and here you can say that the product is negative, so the factors are having different sign, and the product of the middle term, that is the sum, is minus, means the greater factor is having minus and the smaller factor is plus sign here. That is minus 5x square. The factors are already you know, that is minus 5 and plus 1. Minus 5x plus 1x. Different sign, and the greater factor is having negative sign as the middle term is having negative sign. That is equals to, you write x square minus 4x can be splitted as minus 5x plus 1x minus 5 here. You got the 4 terms here, and first you take the first group here, that is x square minus 4x. So what is common here? X you can remove common in the bracket, x minus 5 it is. You know that x into x, x square, x into minus 5, minus 5x it is. Then here 1 is common, 1 into x minus 5 it is. Then that is equals to x minus 5 into x plus 1. X minus 5 into x plus 1. Now here you write x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 is equals to x plus 1 into x square minus 4x plus 5. That is x plus 1 into the factors of these are this here, that is x minus 5 into x plus 1. And here the same factors are there, means you can write x plus 1 into x plus 1 is x plus 1 whole square into x minus 5 also you can write. In this way got the factors of x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. First factor you got by factor theorem, and next by the long division method you got the second factor. Again here that second factor can be factorized by splitting the middle term to get the two more factors. Now the third one is x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. Now here find the factors of 20. Factors of 20. Factors of 20 are, we know that 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, and 4 minus 4, and 5 minus 5, and next here 10 minus 10, 20 minus 20. These are the factors of 20. So now you write that is plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 5, plus or minus 10, plus or minus 20. Now by trial and error method, find P of plus 1, P of minus 1, P of plus 2. All first you try for 1 year. P of 1, that is 1 cube plus 13 into 1 square plus 32 into, here you know that all are positive means, so you take negative only. 1 it is not possible. So you take P of minus 1. Simply taking positive is a waste of time because all are having positive sign means, so you take the negative here factor. So it is minus 1 whole cube plus 13 into minus 1 square plus 32 into minus 1 plus 20 you take, that becomes 1 plus 1 cube it is. 1 cube minus 1 whole cube means that is minus 1 plus 13 into 1 it is minus 32 plus 20. Then it is minus 1 plus 13 minus 32 plus 20 and here the sum of these two becomes minus 1 minus 32 is minus 33, plus sum of these two is 33. So you got p of minus 1 is equals to 0. Then you can have x minus minus 1, that is x plus 1 is a factor here. So you got one factor means then it is possible to get the remaining factors. So you write here p of minus 1. P of 1 is not possible. Why? Because all the terms are having positive sign. Then you take minus 1 whole cube plus 13 into minus 1 whole square plus 32 into x plus 20. X means here you must put minus 1. Then it is minus 1 plus 13 into 1 it is plus 32 into minus 1 is 32 plus 20. So p of minus 1 is equals to minus 1 plus 13 minus 32 plus 20. So the sum of these two is minus 32. Sum of these two is plus 33. So p of minus 1 is equals to 0. By trial and error method you got the one factor, that is therefore you can take x minus minus 1 is equals to x plus 1 is a factor. X plus 1 is a factor. Now you divide x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 by x plus 1 to get the second factor. That is x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 divided by x plus 1. So here x is there, x cube is there. So multiply by x square it is. Multiply both the term x and 1 by x square, that is x into x square is x cube plus 1 into x square is 1x square. Then change the sign. These two cancels. 13 minus 1 is 12x square. Take that 32 below, 32x below. Again here 12x square is there. So multiply x by 12x plus 12x. Then x into 12x is 12x square and 1 into 12x is, that is 12x plus 12x. Change the sign. Here plus 12x square minus 12x square cancels. 32 minus 12 is 20x. Next you take plus 20 below. Then you know that here it is x, here it is 20x. So x must be multiplied by 20 plus 20. Then x into 20 is 20x plus 1 into 20 is 20. Change the sign here. So these two cancels. We'll get 0. Then what you got? Therefore x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 is equals to x plus 1 into x square plus 12x plus 20. So the product of these two. Now again we have to factorize x square plus 12x plus 20 as it is a trinomial. By splitting the middle term you can factorize it. So you take x square plus 12x plus 20. Then here the product, that is PQ, the product is equals to x square into 20, that is equals to 20x square, and PQ is equals to 12x. Middle term sign is positive, product sign is also positive. So both the factors are having positive sign here, same sign, plus plus. And in which table 20 is there? You know that 1 into 20, 2 into 10 and 5 into 4. Then again you can have 21s are 4 5s are 2 10s are, like this way. So which is suitable here? You know that this is okay. Take 10 into 2 here. 10 into 2. Then you can write here both are positive. Middle term is also positive here. Therefore both the factors must have the positive sign. 10x and 2x. 10x into 2x is 20x square. 10x plus 2x is 12x here. So you write that is equals to x square. 12x can be written as 10x plus 2x. 10x plus 2x plus 20. The middle term 12x is written as 10x and 2x. 10 2s are 20. 10 plus 2 12 here. Here the product is positive. Sum is also positive, means both the factors must have positive sign. Now you take the first group. What is common here? You know that x is common. In the bracket x plus 10 comes. X into x, x square, x into 10, 10x plus 2 into x plus 10. 2 into x plus 10. So the factors are x plus 10, one factor, and the other factor is x plus 2. Then you write therefore x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 is equals to x plus 1 into x square plus 12x plus 20. That is equals to, x plus 1 into x square is the factors of x square plus 12x plus 20 are x plus 10 and x plus 2. These are the factors here. Now the fourth one is 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. Here the factors of minus 1. Factors of minus 1. Minus 1 is the independent constant is there. So you take the factors of minus 1. Factors of minus 1 are naturally, you know that plus 1, minus 1, plus or minus 1. Now here try for 1 here and also first you try for 1, p of 1, that becomes 2 into 1 cube plus 1 square minus 2 into 1 minus 1, that is 2 into 1 plus 1 minus 2 minus 1. So it is 2 plus 1 minus 2 minus 1. 2 2 cancels, 1 1 cancels, you will get 0 here. As you got p of 1 equals 0, y minus 1 becomes the factor. So in trial we got that p of 1 is equals to 0. So therefore right here p of 1 is equals to 2 into 1 cube plus 1 square minus 2 into 1 minus 1. So p of 1 is equals to 2 into 1 plus 1 minus 2 minus 1, that is p of 1 is equals to 2 plus 1 minus 2 minus 1. So you can write p of 1 is equals to 3 minus 3, or otherwise you can take 2 minus 2 cancels, 1 minus 1 cancels, that also you can take here. So p of 1 is equals to 0. Therefore y minus 1 is a factor. Y minus 1 is a factor. Then you divide 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1 by y minus 1. Then you know that here it is y and here 2y cube is there. Therefore you multiply y by 2y square. Then y into 2y square is 2y cube. 2y cube and minus 1 into 2y square is minus 2y square, it is minus 2y square. Then plus, change the sign here, that becomes minus, this is plus 2y square, y cube minus 2y cube cancels, plus y square plus 2y square is 3y square minus 2y it is. Minus 2y. Next here it is 3y square. Here y is there. So you multiply y by 3y. So it is plus 3y. So y into 3y is 3y square. And minus 1 into 3y is minus 3y. Minus 3y. So it is minus plus it is. Change the sign. That becomes minus plus. So minus 3y square plus 3y square cancels. Then minus 2y plus 3y. Minus 2 plus 3 you know that is 1. 3 minus 2. So it is 1y. And you take minus 1 below. And again here you know that y into 1 is plus 1. Y into 1 is 1y. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 is minus 1. So change the sign. Minus 1y minus y plus 1y cancels. Minus 1 plus 1 cancels. You will get 0. So you got that. Therefore 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1 is equals to y minus 1 into 2y square plus 3y plus 1. Again here 2y square plus 3y plus 1 is to be factorized. 2y square plus 3y plus 1. Factorize it by splitting the middle term. You know the product here. Product is PQ is equals to 2y square into 1, that is 2y square. And sum is P plus Q, that is 3y. Middle term is 3y. Now again you know the two tables factors are 2 into 1. So it is 2y into 1y you will get. And 2y plus 1y is equals to 3y. 2y into 1y is 2y square. So the factors are only 1 here. 2 into 1. And the product is positive means both the factors must have same sign. That is the sign of the middle term, that is positive. So you take 2y square. Here it is 2y into 1y. 2y plus 1y is 3y. 2y into 1y is 2y square. So you write here is equals to 2y square plus 2y plus 1y plus 1. And remove 2. 2 is there, 2 is there, 2 is common here. And y square y, that is y is common. In the bracket, here what is remaining in the first term? Y is remaining. 2y into y plus 1. Again plus 1 into y plus 1. Then it is y plus 1 is common. Y plus 1 into 2y plus 1. Y plus 1 into 2y plus 1. You got that. 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1 is equals to 1 factor is minus 1 into other factor is 2y square plus 3y plus 1. Then it is equals to y minus 1 into the factors of 2y square plus 3y plus 1 is, you got it, y plus 1 into 2y plus 1. So you got the three factors are y minus 1 into y plus 1 into 2y plus 1. That completes 4 questions of the fifth main of that exercise.